I'm Irene and I'm here at Energy Week in Blantyre. I'm here representing Sheet Metal Industries. Here we have different types of hybrid inverters. We have high capacity hybrid inverter ranging from 6 kVA, and then we have mid capacity and low capacity hybrid inverters ranging from 2 kVA and 1 kVA. And that's not all, we also have different types of batteries. We have the lead acid battery. This one is 200 AH, and then we have the SMF, also known as sealed maintenance free battery. That one has 48 volts, and then we have the panels and the solar geyser. So we're here to introduce this technology to people who might not understand it, help them understand how it works, and then hopefully they'll feel more comfortable to implement the systems in their households.